MCS3H, KB02 microwave sensor. Used with automatic doors or automatic door operators. Turn counterclockwise for low sensitivity. Turn clockwise for high sensitivity. Dip switch 1 on. Sensor detects when pedestrians enter detection area. Sensor does not detect when pedestrians move away from detection area. Dip switch 1 off. Sensor detects when pedestrians enter detection area. Sensor detects when pedestrians move away from detection area. Dip switch 2 off. Relay contact NO, NC switches mechanically. Dip switch 2 on. Relay contact NC, NO switches reversely. Adjustable angle range 15 to 54 degrees. For installation height 2.2 meters and the highest sensitivity. Detection range, meters, for 27 degree angle. Detection range, meters, for 42 degree angle. Detection range, meters, for 54 degree angle. Adjustable detection area width, up to 30 degrees for the left and right. For example, adjust to the left. Adjust to the right. Plug the wires into the connector. Pull the wires through the base. Install the cover. Integrated into access control systems, the MCS3H offers great convenience.